So we're going to review what we did last time, and I'm going to show you how to solve these the algebra way. So number 1, x plus 2 equals 9. We're trying to figure out what x equals. What number goes there to make that number sentence true? You might already know what it is just by knowing your math facts, but the way to solve it with algebra, we have to do the opposite to make the x all by itself. So if it's a plus 2, I need to minus 2 to get rid of that. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. Minus 2. And 9 minus 2 is 7, so x equals 7. Number 2, 2 plus 6 equals y. And we're trying to figure out what y equals. We need y by itself. Oh, what do you know? Y is already by itself on one side. So this is an easy one. 2 plus 6. What's 2 plus 6? 2 plus 6 is 8. So y equals 8. Number 3, m minus 4 equals 6. We have to figure out what m equals. Get m all by itself on that side. So we have to get rid of this minus 4, and to get rid of something, we have to do the opposite. So if it's a minus 4, we need to plus 4 to get rid of it. I did it to one side of the equation, now I have to do it to the other. Plus 4 over here, so I have to go plus 4 over here. 6 plus 4 is 10, so I know that m equals 10. Number 4, z plus 5 equals 14. We need to figure out what z is all by itself. So we have to get rid of this plus 5, but to get rid of it, we have to minus 5 because we have a plus here. We do the opposite, minus 5 to get rid of it. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side. So minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. So z equals 9. Number 5, 8 plus 7 equals a. We want to get a all by itself, so a equals something. Oh, what do you know? A already is by itself on one side, so this is an easy one. We just have to figure out what 8 plus 7 is. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So a equals 15. Last one, number 6, x minus 8 equals 3. We're trying to figure out what x equals. What number goes there for this number sentence to be true? To figure out the algebra way, we have to get rid of this minus 8. But it's a minus 8, so what do I have to do to get rid of it? I have to do the opposite. So if it's a minus 8, I have to do plus 8 to get rid of it. I did it to one side, so I have to do it to the other. Plus 8. And so 3 plus 8 equals 11. So x equals 11. Awesome. You get to practice again today with one of these sheets.